Hey everyone, today let's see how you can create your own expense management app on Zorp. To do that, we head into workflows where we create all the apps that we can make on Zorp, and let's click create new workflow. So here you can see we have a template library that is filled with the various templates that you can use that suit your business use cases. For this video, we'll just use the expense management. As you can see, we have two screen notes that is pre-configured to add an expense and show you the summary of the expenses that you have submitted. We just hit publish and our app is live. Now let's see how this app looks on the phone. The Zorp app can be downloaded both on App Store and Play Store, and you can just log in with the credentials that you created your account with. As you saw, we created the expense management app, so the button is enabled here to trigger the workflow. So clicking on this opens up a task for me to enter my expenses. And I can add as many expenses as I want. So I'll just add one more. Let's say it's for travel. So we've added two expenses. You can click on this to see both the expense details. You can even edit them later on and change things. And I hit submit. So now it says the expense is submitted, the expense is approved or not. How do we do the approval flow? So let's head over to the web. I'll show you how to do the approvals. To view all the expenses that were submitted, we head over into tasks. You can see that this is the expense that we just submitted. Clicking on it opens the details of all the amount, the expense proof that was uploaded as images, the date when it was submitted, and the notes and the category that we just selected. As you saw in the previous video, the user saw that the expense was not approved. To approve it, you just click edit and say expenses approved and hit save. So now the user who's using the Job mobile app will see that his expense has been approved. Now let's say there are a few more categories in the expenses that you want to add that is relevant to your own company. To do that, we head back into our workflow that we use to create our app. Let's click on the screen node, the first one where we add the expenses to add a new category. So now, as you can see here, we have used the list component to add our expenses. So click on the list component gives you the configuration that can be edited. We're going to go head over into the add page. Here you see the category. So we have food, accommodation, travel, and miscellaneous. Let's say we want to add one more saying it could be anything like fuel. So maybe you have a fuel reimbursement. So now the user will see an additional option to select and submit his expenses. So that's how easy and simple it is on Job to edit your own and edit the workflows and create your own expense management app. Upon hitting publish, the changes are live and the user will be able to submit expenses with the fuel reimbursement category right away. Thank you.